Hello everyone, welcome to IELTS Education. I am Sagar Kathiriya, your IELTS guide. In today's Writing Task 2 series, we are going to cover cause and effect type of essay. Now let's start with the session. Today's essay topic is, these days more and more people are migrating to cities from countryside. What are the causes and effects of this situation? So first of all, let's think about exam point of view. In the exam, you have to do first thing, always read question 2 times. So here we are going to read the question and underline the main important keyword. These days, more and more people are migrating to cities from countryside. So this is your essay topic. Here your essay topic is completed. So you have underlined the main keyword. Now the next step is circle the main important essay topic. For example, here in this essay topic, migrating to cities is your theme. So your essay is about migrating to cities. But you also have to identify, is there any other details or restriction? For example, here the details is related to from countryside and another details is related to these days. So these are the main key points you have to cover in your IELTS essay. That migrating to cities from countryside as well as these days. So your first step is clear, that you have understood the question. Now next step, what is the question? What are the causes and effects of this situation? So here we have to see that here they have asked you to cover causes as well as effects. So here this is a plural form. So you have to mandatory cover minimum 2 cause as well as minimum 2 effects. Clear? So this is your step 1, that you have understood your question. Now we will move forward to step 2. Now, step 2 is about writing introduction. As we have seen in our theory session, that in introduction portion, we have to cover 2 things. The first one is about paraphrasing. You have to do paraphrasing of your essay topic. Second one is about question referencing. What do we mean by question referencing? That we have to write 1 to 2 sentences related to question. So here we are going to write thesis statement, because here there is no mention of a stand. Okay, so in summary, paraphrasing of essay topic as well as thesis statement. Now let's start with the paraphrasing. First we will read this paraphrase version of essay topic. Here it is written that in recent years, people from rural areas are more willing to migrate to cities. So now we will see that how they have done paraphrase. First one, in recent years. It is the paraphrase version of these days. Then more and more people. So they have written here people. Then are migrating to cities. So they have mentioned are more willing to migrate. See that they have changed the word formation from migrating to migrate. So it is a one type of paraphrasing. Two cities, same. From countryside, from rural areas. We can say that countryside is the synonyms of rural areas. So this is your introduction, and in introduction this is your first sentence, which is your paraphrase version of essay topic. Now we have to write one thesis statement. So here we have written the thesis statement in the bold. Read it. The causes and impacts will be discussed in the following paragraphs. Whenever you read this statement, you will automatically understood that here causes as well as impacts in the plural form will be discussed in the following paragraph. So we are going to write the causes as well as impacts, which is the requirement of our essay. So in other words, it is also called as a question referencing. So this is your introduction portion, in which we have done paraphrase as well as we have written here thesis. In bracket, we have also written another paraphrase version of essay topic. Now also let's check it. In recent years, there has been a notable trend of individuals migrating from rural areas to urban centers. Here they have changed the grammatical pattern, that they have used there has been a noticeable trend or notable trend. Whenever there is a trend, at that time we can use this type of sentence structure, because this is ongoing process. So normally you can see in the question that they have used continuous present tense type of structure. So we can use at that time trend pattern. There has been a notable trend. Then we have to mention that trend, that individuals, it is the synonyms of people migrating, same, from rural areas, countryside to rural areas. Then cities has been written as urban center. So this is also another version of paraphrase. So this is your introduction portion. Thank you.